Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from, depending on your location. I will quickly want to say something about COTP because this thing is really confusing. It's confusing. Please, it's confusing. Everybody is confused right now. If I do research online, if I see anything, I would like to say it out for you guys to listen to. This COTP issue right now. I'm thinking of something. This COTP issue. Why is it that people 80% believe that COTP has gone and COTP is scam? But many still believe that COTP is coming back. Why is this confusing? If really that COTP is not coming back, why are they updating their database? Why are they showing? Trying to prove to us that they are coming back. Nobody know their office, nobody know their address, nobody know where they are staying. So if truly these people are scams, why are they trying to prove to us that they are going to come back? And they are updating their server. It's really confusing. If you think about it, you understand what I'm talking about. Other platforms that have shut down recently, once they give notice once, or maybe they will not even give notice, they will shut down. This website will close. Everything, no database update, no nothing. But this particular platform, I don't know, are they? I don't understand. Why are they still updating? If people think that they are not coming back, why are they still updating? Okay, recently then they went to coloradosos.gov and they updated their form there, which everybody here saw it. I posted it, I made a video. So if COTP is really gone, why are they posting up? That is question you should be asking yourself if you are doubting that it's not coming back. Why are they doing all those things? Is it to still give people hope? Or is it that they are going to come back? That is why they are updating all those things. People are still hoping, and I pray their hopes will eventually come. Their hope will come. So please, if you know anything that you know about it, because knowledge is power. If you know anything, if you see anything, if you hear anything, please, people are waiting to listen to your comment, to read your comment, to see your comment on the comment section. If you know anything about this particular platform that will help others to learn more, to acquire more knowledge, you know what to do. Just put it down on the comment section for people to see. As for me, if these people are not real, if they have gone, they are not supposed to be updating anything online. They will just go away, and they are also, if these people are gone, their money is not supposed to be in their wallet again. Because this is a group stuff. This is a group stuff. So they would have shared the money. I don't believe that one person owns COTP. I don't know. This is just a what I'm thinking, because we all are the same thing. We all are hustlers. We all are online investors. I'm just saying my mind. So if these people have gone, their money are not supposed to be there, and they are not supposed to be updating their server and their domain and all those things. They would have shared the money among themselves, and if the wallet address that I have been checking on Tronscan, the wallet should have been reducing, but the wallet is still intact. This whole thing is confusing. People are going crazy. People are thinking otherwise. People are confused. So if you know how you can help, you can come down to the comment section and say something. If you know anything that will give people knowledge, that will motivate people, that will show people the way to COTP, you should just come to the comment section and say something. It's very important. because people are searching every day for update to know what is going on, if they will stay, if they will run. Now many of them have entered BN Trust and they are still making money there, but they are afraid now. Many people are afraid of all this online stuff. Nobody is bold like before to invest, because within this year about 4 to 5 platforms has just crashed. So please, we need your help on the comment section. We need your help. Say something. Don't just watch and go. Just say something for guys to see. That is it for now. Thank you. God bless you. Do come back. For my returning subscribers, I thank you all. For my new viewers, please subscribe. That is how we keep the industry going. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.